Astrophotography tutorial.
So today we are going to process the photos that we took of that nebula the other night. And so the first thing that we are going to do, we are going to make 4 folders, and these 4 folders we will label them biases, darks, flats, and lights. I will explain to you why we do this in a short. The lights folder consists of all of the raw files of your project, and in this case I took over 400 raw files, as can be seen here. Okay, so next we are going to take our bias photos, and the bias photos are photos that we take with the lens cap on at the camera's highest shutter speed, in my case, which is 1/4000th of a second. Next we do the darks. Now the darks are actually supposed to be taken right after your lights. The darks are also corrective shots that you take at the same exposure and the same shutter speed as your regular light photos. And finally the flats, we take those with the lens cap off, but with a white t-shirt. In my case I use a white napkin in order to place on top of the lens, and I took as many shots as I could. In this case it was about 26 shots. It was facing the sun in order to get a nice white background. So after placing all of the photos in their respective folders, we use a program called Siril in order to stack the photos together. Alright, so when completed, Siril will give you a fit file, as we see here in green. I convert it to a TIFF file, which I then export to the GIMP program, which is very similar to Photoshop, and we do all of our final editing there. And so this is our final product, and the nebula is called Rho Ophiuchi or Rho Ophiuchi,